Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Kotoko paid for
Yeah.
Abege. They paid heavily for Abege, so this one will be a problem. Abege was finished, past it, and they still paid. But personally, I thought cancelling Abege deal was a very, very bad move.
Why?
I think that I was thinking that Abege would have been useful in the Ghana Premier League. If not because he doesn't know how to use the ball anymore, try with his head. 10 minutes you put him and start crossing on the ball.
Yeah, but
no player is entirely useless.
The problem with Abege was that Abege wasn't the player that Kotoko needed. Because looking at the Kariobangi Sharks team, clearly the best player of that team was one guy called Omoto or something like that. The guy who scored the goal in Babayara. That guy was splendid. So when I heard that Kotoko was going for a player at Kariobangi, I thought, oh, are we going for that player? And they said George Abege. I was like, what? So what did you see in George Abege? It's been a bane of Asante Kotoko recently. I'm gonna mention some strikers here. Yakubu Mohammed, Abbas Mohammed, Boateng.
Okay.
Which striker again? I think we have been buying some unproductive strikers for a while, and only go.
No, what I think the problem is that Kotoko buy a striker thinking what he did in his former club, you have to do it here, without trying to say how would this player fit in my own style.
So I think
the coaches that do that
with the scouting.
Yeah. And most of the time, it's not the coach that seeks for this player. As the board that says, this player scored goal, bring him and use him.
You know,
you ask this coach that what's the style of play? Try and make sure this player works hand in hand with your style of play. Just fix him there.
What do you expect? It's a traditional team. I mean, if you go to Barcelona and Man City and all the big clubs, most of the board directors dictate that we're going to take this player. You know? Let's look at PSG. Let's look at PSG.
Some coaches
never requested for Neymar.
So okay, that one we understand. Neymar was just for marketing and all that.
Exactly. So
but now it's become a very, very. The coach used that to his advantage. I didn't want Neymar, but you brought him in, so I'll try to build my team around him. So that is what an intelligent coach should do.
That's true.